Okay, all right. So now we are having Nirmal. Everyone Nirmal. Yeah. He's again an aspiring trainer. Come, what do you want? Now he's a BTech and he was handling trainings for leading automobile company. He's currently working for Jaguar auto dealers, and as a trainer again he is a budding trainer, aspiring trainer. So let's support him. Listen to him.
Actually, I'm a technical trainer. Soft skill I am prepared to soft skill. Environmental shifts threatening stage global warming. It's the main thing. A lot of radiations. Okay, global warming is concerned. I know the threatening issue is carbon dioxide. I know the main carbon is automobile fields. But we automobiles use but for example, automobiles use driving skills. Okay, this is new generation vehicles. About environmental included lamps post budgeting lamp in a sun old model engine, diesel engines use Mono pollutants are first is called carbon monoxide, other is called unburned fuel, HC in the NOx emission, nitrogen oxide. This is unwanted traffic race unwanted pollutant. For your safety belts use around the Villan. Palari actually, I say that later will one day in case crash airbag bottom you will get broken. Maranam instantly. Start out and ignition on off. One day the performance is pollution. Automobile field supply that's a BTech and supply down. Motivational inspiring books example APJ Abdul Kalam, The Wings of Fire book. Osho in the book, I got I'll inspiring at all APJ Abdul Kalam to Paranasalam. Jivatil, what is those those monitor on the what is those single what is step forward on Uricum, Pinnacle to Polo. Other Pinnaduran and K Paranasalam, Jivatil failure argument on the Russell. Shelikum Baran, Ningal on the $80 million failure. Failure in the electron particle as an curriculum success in the predicament. Part of success at the very failure of the medical knowledge. I want to indicate bad things in can down on indicating better right to the Karam, I end up indicating what better achieve. Aborican Yampana failure അനുഭവപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതൊരിക്കലും ഒരു കൊള്ളൂരായ്മയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയല്ല, നിങ്ങൾ കുറച്ചും കൂടി ഇമ്പ്രൂവ് ആവാനുള്ള ഒരു ചാൻസ് ആണ്. അതെപ്പോഴും യൂട്ടിലൈസ് ചെയ്യുക. This was my first soft skill.
Awesome.